Welcome to Learning Code with Python. I am Nadia Borshek. I will be your instructor for this series. These videos intended students ages 10 to 14, about grades 4 to 10. In the previous episodes, we learned about Python and its usage. We learned about variables and variables types. In part 1 of this episode, we learned about what are loops, how loops work, and together we wrote a class A program using list variable and looping command. You will find the link of the previous part in the description field below for more details. In the previous episodes, we stored the names in a list called students_names. Now I will use the for command to iterate over the list items. X is the item inside the list. N, students_names, is the list. Colon, the loop body in our case will be print of X. Now, when we execute the program, the system will access the memory and retrieve the value of the students_names list one by one. The first iteration, X will be students_names of 0. The statement of the loop body will be print of students_names of 0. The value will be retrieved as Amir. The second iteration, X will be students_names of 1. Print students_names of 1. Its value will be Larissa. Third iteration, X will be students_names of 2. Print students_name of 2. The value is Adam. And so on until we reach the last item, which is 8th iteration, print students_names of 7. The value will be safe. Loops can execute a block of code number of times or until a certain condition is met. We have two statements, for loop and while loop. For loop used to iterate over elements of a sequence and used when you have a piece of code which you want to repeat n number of times. While loop used to repeat a block of code infinite number of times or until certain condition is met. Now, together, we will write a program that will capture your name and then draw it in spiral. Go and open Python editor and open a new file. Before start writing a spiral code, we need to understand the Turtle library in Python. Turtle is a pre-installed Python library that enables users to create pictures and shapes. The on-screen pin that you use for drawing is called the turtle. Turtle helps new programmers get a feel for what programming with Python is like in a fun and interactive way. Speaking of geometry, Turtle graphics can draw lots more interesting shapes than just straight lines. So we will import Turtle library to help us in our drawings. I will write a comment. A comment is text that doesn't affect the outcome of a code. A text that starts with #. T equal turtle.pen is the on-screen pen that will be used for drawings. Let's tell the system to choose a black background color for our drawings. Now we will identify a list variable contains 4 items with colors red, yellow, blue, green. Then we will define a variable with name my name and display appropriate user message to capture the name. When run the code, the output will be as shown in the video. Let us continue writing the code for our Spiral My Name program. We will use for loop to execute block of code 100 times. For x in range of 100, colon indicates the beginning of the block of code inside the for loop. To rotate through the 4 colors, we will use t.pen color command. I will explain the command in the future episodes. To tell the system not to draw the regular spiral line, we use t.pen up, open parentheses and close the parentheses. To move the turtle or the pen forward, we will use t.forward. Then we will pass number of pixels as a parameter. In our case, the parameter is x times 4. X is the sequence in the for loop. We will use t.pen down to draw the regular spiral lines again. We will use t.right to show the name that is stored or captured in my name variable. Command used to change the direction of the turtle on the screen. The last command in the for block code is t.left. When run the code, the output will be as shown in the video. If you feel this piece of code is difficult, don't worry. In the future episodes, together we will simplify it. Enjoy the output. Remember, code is fun, and coding is a valuable job skill. See you next time. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.